What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is E-82000168. Cannot connect to the PlayStation network. It's a PlayStation network PSN account network and the server error. So simply I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we go to the screen and simply just go to the settings here, and then you just go to the login settings. You must check your login settings, PSN account is logged in or not, your PlayStation account, and here's the network. You PlayStation network services, set up a connection or test your internet connection. If the server is not working, just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. If the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. You must contact with the local internet provider, so fix that, and you just set up a new connection, forget the old one. I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN cable from router to PlayStation 4. You can change the manual DNS settings, which one is working good in your country, just put it back here and set up a new connection. So simply that's how you can do it. A network problem you can fix, that's how. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.